Alright guys, so time update is 1:12 in the afternoon. Ajudum we Phesama de enaze. Like everyone, last time we agina seje de jaro aje hezde. So work progress kina jazi the sol lemon taise idilana. So ede warning construction work in progress. Na dinaze. Itu rasta to time to lose de kim sabo. Matlab tane de idu gundina jazi opora. Then opora biro la planning is negi because we don't do we great ko jazi. Olop jaga jaga de. Torne ajde oh opore gundia lo मतलब ना ऊपर जोलस नहीं ना गिना है फोर लेन कुंदिया ना कुंदिया दे alright so last time ahina aji ahezero after a long time so I was just watching some of my friends on the vlog today gina jade oh wow so it's like this condition though. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Pani giri dekha na, like it's really unstable. Pani giri dekha na. But let's check it out. See, I can see a rock falling. Small rocks are falling every now and then. See, even here. It's in a bad shape, guys. Just look at this. Oh my god. You can see, no? Falling. Rock falling. Pani. गिरे okay itu cuman diri lu sana apnya lah sabtu do si diri lu sana time tu na kile pani puri dekhe daro jai jai na itu berole kundia de rasta do opore na oh acha to itu to use nu jaw na do na oh hoy oh acha time lo na ki uncle I think hoina sadona nole mala kuna jale cabinet minister 15 days na 10 days se complete corona le na 20 hours lenga you could dai na bidai se bana news de 10 days no hoido sado ya she risky as a gam gurembi tana life pro dia ida de kiri de very horrible state le bacchi si dei one opore alternate road tahirani na nole to itu dakhena le khottom pura jaka pama jawle la so sopi mati girgi de continuous guys so do nije apne mi dikhe ji bare I don't know whether you guys can see or not but thodi sabi de mati giri de pani giri wana romendo pani sab these are all mud actually these are all mud it's really risky yeah. Itu ina mariado landslide na jawni kare du na na jaw na sopi mati jo do na norom mati kla jo hoina si dong ri de landslide to titandu hornbill tak bhi hona na hornbill la time tak bhi go na pare na hoina जितो मलाई फ्रिङा किनि देखिन आज न एभ्री डे डेली आइन अपडेट दिन्छ दाम बेला पनि केना यदि जिसिपी दाजे अलिकदा एकदा तीनदा राखिना रे ओ यदि गिरे रे नीचे जा से रे ओ के तक जादे जादे वो तो जा वो तो जादे tak motor jasa juga. Pasti mana jauh. Marah. Mati de ma niti de na. Tekan kalau mati itu apa ini itu. Alright guys, so it's gonna be very short vlog today. Just an update of the national highway to process to आवाज़ है उन्होंने भी है ना काम gradually भी पांच ना पानी पूरे वाला काम आगे जाओ लिप्सी दुपाई ना जाए it's really hard to move on because of the rain everything has stopped because of the rain it's a huge one yeah look at this they have a huge cut but they were cutting ना जाए तो ऊपर Allora, più c'è calmira. Non c'è modo per io. So guys, tando kari opore uthule na pare jawa. Tange kari ba namai diche theng ba tange de jaw dese. Aru kari do opora jadu di do. Clear do kari pichi phare hole do uthiu na pare. Phesama rasta de to manon sa pidiwa jaw dese do ajidu. Do sab Manipur jaga na sabi. They are all traveling to Manipur and their vehicle is up there crossing the bypassing this road, this landslide, and they will go and connect with the driver again. So these people are climbing the landslide area right now. They will be walking and they'll be crossing this area and they will go and connect with the drivers again. Yeah. So look at this. This is the condition right now of the travelers. These are all travelers. These are all going back to Manipur. आप लोग मणिपुर जा रहा है क्या भैया जी? मणिपुर? Chalo. So this is the condition. And right now I'm getting back to my scooty. I'll go back now. So that was the short update. Follow them. ऊपर से जाना पड़ेगा पाइतू वो वहाँ पे हाँ जी हाँ ये भी आ गया ब्लॉगर Alright guys, so hey रास्ता यति देखिছে र